Hi, my name is Brad. I play lead guitar in a Toronto-based band called the Starship Experience, and I have my own band called Cold Weather Captain, so I'm Canadian, and I'm here to demo my Epiphone Les Paul Standard. This is a made in Korea model, serial number 199060750. Try to get that up there. I don't know if you can read it or not. And these tuning heads have been replaced. I think this is from 1999, but I don't know. This is a Epiphone limited edition. It says, oh, let's get the angle for you. Kind of see it behind the headstock. And I'm plugged into a Vox AC Vox VT20 with one preamp tube. Currently, these are my amp settings. Currently with fuzz on Cali clean mode. It's like a rock tone. Pretty cool tone. So the reason I got this guitar is I play a lot of rock and I wanted something really fat sounding that's going to cut through. This is bought used, so the pickups are a bit, there's like a volume drop, and this one's a bit lower than this one, so if that's why it sounds like that, that's why. So I'm just going to go through a couple different tones and why I like Les Pauls and why you might like them too, depending on what you like to play. So I'm living in Canada. I'm also going to be doing more tutorials and more lesson-based stuff shortly, but if you tune in, I'll show you some more. So I'm going to play some more riffs and then explain what my settings are and how I'm getting the sound that I want. So that was just some riffage. I'm on this pickup here. I think that's going to here with the tone and volume on full. It's supposed to be to here, but this guitar is a little finicky. So that's a fuzz tone with this guitar. So it's really useful for power chords if you play rock, like. Really cool for single note riffs like Smashing Pumpkins, like the fat sound like that. Loads of sustain. This is all digital effects. I'm not using any pedals. This is also a great amp, by the way. Now I'm going to take you to some clean sounds. So let me turn this off. This is just with a touch of compression on so I don't spike with my levels. I'm going to go down a little bit. So this is more of like a jazz tone, like. Tapping the tempo to the delay time, so like. So I apologize in advance. These are the strings that the guitar came with, and it does not have a setup. So if I'm retuning it, that's why. I probably should have got that checked out before the video. So that's more of jazz. I'll just crank the gain a little bit for blues, like. that. So that's blues. So we got blues jazz. You want to just twang it up a little bit for like a country type thing. Go here. You can go like. Just to show you, this is a tailpiece here that's like when the strings are on it and you're bending strings, it's really fun to solo on, because the scale length from here, like the length between this and where the strings meet the headstock here, is not as long this way as a Fender. So when you're bending, you get to where you're going a lot faster. So it's really fun to play. I've been used to playing like Strats. I don't know if SGs are different, but I know that Les Pauls are shorter. This is all stock as far as I know, stock pickups. I think it's from '99. So that's like a more country. If you want to go into metal, this would be hard rock. It's like the Pearl Jam era, I suppose. Like. Can't remember that song, but you get the idea. So that's a more rock sound onto like metal. Alternative rock, like something a little spacier with tap tempo, so you can go like, I'm trying to think of a song that has that, like, not Offspring, that's from the Offspring, but something like where you're kind of climbing solos and trying to build landscapes of atmosphere and sound. So you could do, if it's E, like squeeze it up a bit, go like here. This would be more like pop rock, so like, I don't know, like, or like, you do volume swells to kind of blend it in, like here. So, tons of different styles on one guitar. I don't work for Epiphone, but if you are watching this and you do, then you feel free to comment. If you want to know anything more about this guitar, or why you use it, or how to get tones that you want, obviously manipulating these is a huge part of that. My next video is going to be more on using this Les Paul to apply it to get the sound that you want with pedals into a tube amp. This is kind of more of a warm-up video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up or down. That's fine too. You can leave some comments, any suggestions or genres that you want covered, let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as I can.